How to delete a group on Telegram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can delete your Telegram group, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a Telegram group, you actually need to make sure that you are only the admin of the group. If you're not the admin, you will not be able to delete the group. So after that, just go ahead and make sure to launch the Telegram application here. Once you launch the Telegram app, just go to the group here. Then just tap the three dots over here. You'll be able to see these options. Now just tap the group name and then just go ahead and then basically tap this option called three dots, and here you'll find delete and leave group. So make sure to tap on delete and leave group. You can tap on delete group and the group will get deleted successfully. This way you can delete a group in Telegram, but you need to make sure that you are the administrator of that group. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.